Today I am going to start a new topic, that is atmospheric reflection for class 10th, chapter number 11. That is very important concerning your board exam. So you must pay attention towards the lecture. What do you mean by atmospheric reflection and what are its practical applications that we observe in our day-to-day life? So let's start today's video. Firstly, what do you mean by reflection? As we know, when a ray of light travels from one medium to another transparent medium having different optical density, then bending of light takes place. Bending means what? Refraction of light takes place. It means what is the cause of reflection? Change in refractive index. And refractive index means optical density. So change in refractive index or change in optical density. Now what do you mean by atmospheric refraction? As you know, atmosphere means what? Envelope of gases, envelope of air that surround our earth. हमारी अर्थ के आसपास जो भी एटमॉस्फेयर गैसेस का एनवेलप है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? एटमॉस्फेयर, एनवेलप ऑफ एयर और एनवेलप ऑफ गैसेस. बट दीज एयर और गैसेस दैट इज नॉट अ होमोजीनियस मीडियम, दैट इज हेट्रोजीनियस. मीन्स व्हाट? दैट the air is not of uniform refractive index or uniform optical density. It means it is having changing refractive index or changing optical density. In some region of air, in some region of our earth, air is denser, whereas in other one it is rarer. So when light travels in air, it changes its medium from rarer to denser or from denser to rarer. Due to change in medium, due to change in optical density, refractive index, path of light changes. That is known as atmospheric refraction. Atmospheric refraction means what? That is refraction. Refraction is clear to you. That is change in path. Sorry. Reflection due to change in optical density of air. Optical density of atmosphere or optical density of air is known as atmospheric refraction. There are a lot of reasons, but main two reasons for atmospheric refraction or change in optical density of air. Change in refractive index or of air. Why? Air is not a uniform one. Why the refractive index of air is changing? There are two main causes. First one is due to change in temperature. Second one due to change in height or position. Firstly, टेम्परेचर के चेंज करने से हमारी जो एयर है उसकी ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी भी क्या करती है? चेंज होती है. द एयर विच इज हॉटर एज कंपेयर टू द अदर लेयर, जहां पर एयर गर्म है, दैट इज ऑप्टिकली रेयरर मीडियम. वहां का जो मीडियम है वो क्या होगा? ऑप्टिकली रेयरर. बट इन कंट्रास्ट जो इसके कंपैरिजन में कूलर है, ठंडी है, दैट विल बी ऑप्टिकली डेंसर. बिकॉज बीइंग कूलर उसके पार्टिकल्स कैसे होंगे? एक दूसरे के क्लोज होंगे. सो इट विल बी ऑप्टिकली डेंसर. So it means due to change in temperature, optical density of air, optical density of atmosphere changes. More hotter, more it will be rarer. More the cooler, more it will be denser. Okay. Now due to change in height, As you know, in upper atmosphere there is no air, just like in space. On the surface of moon there is no air. No air means what? There is totally vacuum. But when we move towards the earth, there is sufficient amount of air, sufficient amount of oxygen, sufficient amount of gases envelope in our surrounding. It means what? When we move from top to bottom, optical density, or I may call it refractive index, that increases. No air, vacuum, rarest one, increases and continuously increases. So what is going on? There is increase in optical density while moving from upper region to earth's surface. So up to now we have learned what is refraction, what is atmospheric refraction, what are its cause. Two causes, temperature and height change. Now there are a lot of practical applications that are based on atmospheric reflection of light. For example, let's first take a review. What are the various examples in which atmospheric reflection takes place? Number one, you know stars twinkle. In your junior classes you have learnt a poem that twinkle twinkle little stars. What does it mean? Star used to twinkle. ट्विंकलिंग मीन्स स्टार क्या कर रहे हैं, कभी हमें स्टार की जो ब्राइटनेस है वो बढ़ती हुई अपीयर हो रही है और कभी डिक्रीज होती हुई, घटती हुई अपीयर हो रही है. दैट प्रोड्यूसेस ट्विंकलिंग इफेक्ट. ये किस पर बेस्ड है? दैट इज ऑन द एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन. एंड second one, that stars appear much higher than actually they are. It means हमें स्टार जहाँ पर अपीयर होते हैं उनके कंपैरिजन में उनकी एक्चुअल लोकेशन थोड़ी सी नीचे है. एंड द लास्ट वन दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन टुडेज टॉपिक, दैट इज एडवांस्ड सनसेट, एडवांस्ड सनराइज एंड डिलेड सनसेट. सनराइज होने से पहले एडवांस में ही सनराइज हो जाना. व्हाट डज इट मीन? कि सनराइज हुआ नहीं और हमें दिखने लग गया. दैट इज एडवांस्ड सनराइज एंड डिलेड सनसेट. We will discuss these topics in detail. First one is twinkling of stars, but not of planet. Second one, apparent position of star is higher, or stars appear higher than actually they are. And the last one that we will discuss, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Now we will discuss these three topics that are based on atmospheric refraction in detail. So let's start. First one, what do you mean by twinkling of star and its cause? First one, as you know, star are very far off. They are so much away from the earth's surface that they appear to us a point size object. They appear to us point sized. Due to their large distance, they appear to us point size. But you know, stars have their own light. When starlight enters the Earth atmosphere, two processes occur. First one, when starlight from a star enters the Earth atmosphere, there is continuous change in optical density, or we may call it refractive index. What does it mean? When starlight enter from the star to the earth atmosphere, there is increase in the optical density. What does it mean? It means refraction occur due to change in optical density. Refraction occur of which? Starlight refraction, atmospheric refraction of starlight occurs due to continuous change in optical density. First one. And the second one, as you know, the temperature of earth is not constant, that is temperature is also changing. So due to change in temperature, I told you in right now that due to change in temperature there is change in optical density. Due to change in temperature, there is change in optical density. It means what? Sometimes the optical density becomes less, means medium become rarer. Sometimes medium become denser. So, due to change in optical density, either due to change in position or due to change in temperature, optical density changes. Sometimes atmosphere when rarer, it reflects more light. It refracts more light. When more light is refracted, it appears bright to us. When atmosphere is rarer. But in contrast, when atmosphere is having more optical density or it is denser, at that situation, it refracts comparatively less light. Less light. Due to decrease in reflection of light, it appears dull, or we may call it dim. Sometimes star appears dim, sometimes star appears bright, due to which it produces twinkling effect. So, this is the cause of twinkling effect. So, what is the cause of twinkling of stars? Vary for. So, point size. They have their own light. When light enters the earth atmosphere, medium optical density changes, either due to change in height or due to change in temperature. When atmosphere is rarer, more light refract, star appears bright. When atmosphere is denser, then less light is refract, then they appear dimmer. This brighter and dimmer change in brightness of star that produces twinkling effect. So, we have learned about twinkling now. Stars twinkle, they are very far off. Why planets do not twinkle? What is that cause? Planets do not twinkle. Stars are far off, but planets are not too much far off. Comparatively, they are nearer. As they are nearer, so they are extended bodies, large sized bodies. They are not point size as stars were. They are nearer, so they are extended bodies. Planets do not have their own light. They become sparkling. They are visible to us due to the light reflected by sun. As you know कि आपकी अर्थ है, that earth is not having its own light. जब sunlight इसके ऊपर fall करती है, then the reflection phenomena takes place from the earth surface and earth become visible to us. Earth is not having its own light. Similarly, planets are not having their own light. This large size planet can be assumed to that it is made up of a large number of point size objects. It means it can be supposed that it is made up of large number of point size objects, in which sometime due to change in optical density, due to change in atmospheric refractive index, sometimes there is some portion in which medium is denser. Denser means they will have dim light, but in another section medium will be rarer, that will appear to us bright. So in some section there will be dimming of light, and in other one there will be brightening of light. So overall, which is group of combination of a large number of point size, their average effect, some portion is having brightness, some portion is having dimness, overall they combine to produce no change. It means overall nullifies the effect. Nullifies का मीनिंग क्या है? इफेक्ट को खत्म कर देते हैं ओवरऑल एवरेज. एवरेज की बात करें तो ये क्या कर रहे हैं? इफेक्ट को खत्म कर रहे हैं. सम पोर्शन इज हैविंग ब्राइट लाइट, सम पोर्शन इज हैविंग डार्क लाइट. इट मींस द ओवरऑल reduces to zero. That's why planets do not twinkle. Now the second case we are going to discuss, that is apparent position of star is higher. What does it mean? As you know, stars are located in the upper atmosphere, in which there is no air, or optical density of air is very small. Air is rarer in that region. Star. When light enters from upper atmosphere to the lower region, refractive index increases, optical density increases. It means when a ray of light from star enters the earth atmosphere, it will bend towards the normal. In spite of going straight, it will bend towards the normal. But there is continuously change in optical density, because as light is reaching earth atmosphere, earth surface, optical density is continuously increasing, due to which it again refract, bends towards the normal. This process continues due to change in optical density. But when this effect is seen by a person as observer on the earth surface, what happens when, because you know light always travel in straight line path, when the same ray is produced backward, it appears that stars are located at point B. It means A is the actual location of star, and B that appears means what? That is not actual, that is apparent position of star, apparent location or apparent position of star. Due to change in optical density, due to change in refractive index, star appears higher. Actually they are located at point A, but they appear to us at point B. It means star appear higher. What is the cause? Due to atmospheric reflection of which? Starlight. Okay. Now the third one we are going to discuss, that is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. As you know, sun is at the center of our solar system, where all the planets are revolving around the sun in elliptical path. What does it mean? Like planets, earth is also revolving around the sun. But because we are on the earth, it appears to us, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि सन अर्थ के चारों तरफ, सन जो है अर्थ के चारों तरफ रिवॉल्व कर रहा है, अर्थ रिवॉल्व नहीं कर रही है. इट मीन्स हमें ऐसा अपियर होता है जैसा कि अगर आप किसी ट्रेन में, किसी व्हीकल में ट्रेवलिंग करते हैं, एक्चुअली यू आर मूविंग, but it appears to you that outsider, you are in rest and outsider are moving in opposite direction. Similarly that's going on कि actually sun is at rest and earth is revolving around sun. But what appears to you? It appears to you that sun is revolving around the earth which is at rest. Okay, what appears to you? Taking the same, when there is a line, that is a margin line, below which if sun is crossing this line, when it is above the line, that line is known as horizon. When sun is above the horizon, then sunrise takes place. And when sun, after covering a certain distance, when it is below the horizon, and that position sunset occurs. Okay, means sunrise when it is above the horizon, sunset when it is below the horizon. Okay, now what is daytime? The time gap between sunrise and sunset is known as daytime. Okay, now what we are going to observe? When sun is actually below the horizon, it means sunrise has not yet take place. It is just below the horizon. It is just below the horizon. But when sun just below the horizon, sun rays enter the earth atmosphere, it has to cross thicker layer. Thicker means denser layer of air. Denser, or I may call it thicker layer of earth, thicker layer of atmosphere, due to which bending take place, refraction of sunlight. Refraction of, in previous case it was starlight refraction, now here refraction of sunlight occurs. It means it appears to us that light is coming from this, but when we produce it backward, sun appears to us above the horizon, while it is actually below the horizon. It is actual position of sun that is below the horizon, and it is appearing, and the thing which is appearing means that is not actual, apparent position of sun. What does it mean? Sun has not risen up to now. अभी sunrise हुआ नहीं है, it is just below the horizon. But due to atmospheric refraction, it appears to us that it is above the horizon. It means sun appears to us before its actual sunrise, about 2 minutes ago. Same is the case when sun is below the horizon. When sun is below the horizon during setting time, but it appears to us above the horizon for about 2 minutes. That's why there is lengthening, or we may call it increase in daytime. Increase in daytime by 4 minutes. It means daytime appears 4 minutes longer than actually they are 2 minutes during sunrise, 2 minutes during sunset. Why? Because sun is below the horizon appearing to us 2 minutes ago. Sun is below the horizon appearing us 2 minutes ago. That's why increase in length of sun for 4 minutes. Now, the same effect produces flattening of sun during sunrise and sunset. It means if anyone asks you the question, what is the reason of flattening of sun during sunrise and sunset, that is due to the same atmospheric refraction of which, starlight or sunlight? It will be sunlight. So in today's video we have learned about what is refraction, what is atmospheric refraction, what are the various causes, what are the various cases in which atmospheric refraction is going on in detail. It is very important concerning your board exam. So watch the videos carefully and be with me in next video, in which I am going to teach you a new topic, that is scattering of light. Till then, goodbye.